is another unboxing time! So guys, nag-order tayo guys sa TikTok shop ng plus size guys na pants. Ang SRP niya is 162 pesos guys. So naka-free shipping fee na siya guys. So tara guys, open na natin. In-order ko guys is dark gray. Bali, in-order ko lang siya guys kahapon, di ba? Ang bilis ng deliver. Ito siya guys. Manipis lang siya guys. But as you can see, maganda naman yung pagkakatahin niya guys. Maganda naman guys yung pagkakatahin niya. So guys, if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share to your friends. See you in my next vlog guys. God bless you all. Bye.
I got so much fucking design on right now. Every time, every time, every time, I got 3 whole thoughts.